Hello children, I am your Lata Miss. Let's learn about farm animals and their babies. You can say also animals and their young ones. So ready with me? Let's learn. Match each animal to its young. So let's start. First is a cow. Where is a cow baby? You have to search and match. Cow baby called calf. Cow baby called calf. Now next, chicken. Chicken baby called chick. So let's do matching. Chicken baby called chick. Next is sheep. Let's find. Sheep baby called lamb. Lamb. Very good. Like that you have to do matching. Sheep baby called lamb. And next is duck. So where is a duck baby? You have to find. Duck baby, yes. Duck baby called duckling. So you have to do matching. Duck baby called duckling. Duckling. Now next, rabbit. So let's do matching. Where is a baby? Yes, I got it. Rabbit baby called bunny. Rabbit baby called bunny. Now next, pig. Now who is left? Oh, you have to see the down. Pig baby called piglet. And here is a piglet. So let's do matching. Pig baby called piglet. Pig baby called piglet. Now horse is left. Now horse baby called foal. So let's do matching. Horse baby called foal. Like that you have to solve the worksheet. Thank you. Bye.